Welcome to Magitudes. In today's video we will have a look at how to create a lovely QR code in Canva just like the one I have here on my screen. It's actually very simple. Let's dive right into it. To create a QR code in Canva, from the left sidebar here simply choose More and then search for an application called QR code. In my case this can be found here. And then simply click on that and you will then see that the QR code application has successfully been added to our left sidebar. Now all that is left for you to do is to add an actual URL, and people can then simply scan this QR code to reach your desired URL. In my case, I would like people to reach my blog magitudes.com, and that is why I entered the whole Magitudes URL into this field here. Once you have added your desired URL, simply click on Generate Code and your desired QR code will automatically be added to your design. Now, whenever you download your design with your QR code and then publish it, for example, on a website, then people can simply scan this QR code with their mobile phone and they will easily get to the URL that we just specified a moment ago. And that's it, guys. This is how you create a QR code in Canva. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.